Hello everyone, it's Christina here, and we have another online webinar today. As promised, every Friday we have this YouTube talk, YouTube webinar, which we made for our communication with you guys, so with everyone who's watching us all over Africa from different countries. And right now, so we are waiting for everyone to join our live stream today. So, as for our today's meeting, today's webinar, the topic is, what we are going to discuss, is the pre-shipment procedure or pre-shipment inspection that we will have today, and you will take part in this process together with me, together with BST, and I'm sure you will like it. But right now, so we are checking if the sound is good and the video is fine. So and also let me check if we have a chat box here. Okay, so all is installed, all is clear. And by the way, so right behind me you can see GBU 15 LP drilling rigs that are packed, and we showed them to you before, and right now they are just sitting here waiting for the dispatch. And so all of them, all 10 pieces are here, and today, as a part of our inspection, so I will show you everything that is included in this shipment, whether it's a drilling rig, a complete machine, or some components, bits, spare parts, and so on. So everything will be discussed here today. But right now, so we are waiting for more people to join us. So we have 3 viewers. That's very good. That's very good. So still we have some time for people to come here. And by the way, guys, who are watching this online right at this moment, could you please text something? Let's say text hello, right? Or introduce yourself, who is watching me right now. Please send it to the chat box, so I will see who's watching this webinar right now. Just send a message, so I will have a look. Okay. Okay, yes, just say hello. Okay, nice, Mr. Chomba. Okay, very good. Okay, we are just, checking everything, so we can start in less than 5 minutes. Okay, Mr. Daniel Tembo. Okay, good. We have more people coming. Okay. Yeah, like I said, today you will be the ones who will also join me in this inspection. So, and besides of this pre-shipment process, I will also I will show you around BST factory. So if you personally haven't been here before, so this is a great opportunity for you to have a look at this, so to see our manufacturing facilities, what we have, right? Okay, Mr. Crispin is here. Hello, yes, good afternoon. Mr. Mohammed Bukhar Mustafa. Okay, from Nigeria. Nice, nice. We are always glad to see so people watching us from different parts of Africa. from Nigeria, from Zambia, from Tanzania, from Kenya, from Zimbabwe, so from these countries and more, right? From the whole Africa, like I said. Okay, guys, so right now it's time to start. So thanks everyone for joining. Again, it's me, Christina, back with the live stream with our webinar, which we hold every Friday. And the topic of today's meeting, today's webinar is the pre-shipment inspection that you will be the viewer of, or even the participant of. So, and right now, I want you to have a look at this wonderful place, which is called BST warehouse. And you can see that there is not much space even left, because we have so many drill rigs, so many components just being stocked here, and that's very good, because so it means that we are always ready for one after another delivery and dispatch. So speaking of any dispatch, yeah, and any deliveries, what is important to be sure of, and what needs to be done before every delivery, yeah, before every shipment. Of course, apart from the fact that all the products, they need to be prepared, right, and produced. Of course, there should be some sort of checkup, or the inspection, as we call it. So, and by the way, there is even such a worldwide certificate or inspection, and we share this information with you on our in our groups. So, in this inspection, it has a name of SGS, and this is the whole organization who does these inspections of all the goods, that everything is prepared and it goes according to the packing list, or according to the documents, right, to this or another shipment. And let us start with the, of course, with the drilling rigs, right, with the machines that we are going to ship very soon. And by soon I mean, so the shipment and the dispatch, it is planned on the end of March this month. So there are only a couple of days left. And so right behind me, you can see GB15 LP drilling rigs. And let me show them closer to you. So here they are. They are all covered in a with the stretch film, so they will be safe once they are put in a container or in a truck. So the transportation will be fully secured, right? Okay. So, and here, with every drilling rig, there is of course a factory plate, right, which is put right here. We cannot clearly see it, but once it's unpacked, so the plate is fully visible. But there is there is indication of the numbers for each drilling rig. So they have their factory numbers. And again, for the transportation of GBU15LP that you can see here, so it was decided that they need to be disassembled. So what was disassembled are the base, right, and this support leg, right? So if you remember how GBU15LP looks like, so it has this support leg and the base, so it can stand in a stable manner, right? So we have those parts separately packed here, as well as the drilling, professional drilling tables. So they come on this pallet. So as for GBU15LP, so I think it's clear, right? And what is also needed for a successful operation with this machine is, of course, oil station, which I remind you, it looks like this. So it's an oil tank. So yes, it is all covered in stretch film. But anyways, so oil station, it has the oil tank with the engine. Remember? So that's the only way how you can operate the drill rig. And as for those oil stations, they're in these huge boxes. Over here we have 3 of them, and you can see 1 box over there. So as for these boxes, inside we have oil stations for GBU15LP. And by the way, everything that I'm showing to you right now, so the same procedure as we are undergoing right now, as we perform right now. So it was also done for this SGS inspection that I mentioned you about earlier. And so pretty much right now you have this wonderful chance to take part, personally to take part in this similar inspection. Okay, let us continue. So as for GBU15LP, we are done. I showed you everything regarding the machine itself. But right now, let us move on to our trailer-mounted drilling rigs, which, by the way, you can see that we have lots of them here. But we are interested in 2 models, GBU30L and GBU29L. And here it is. So I don't know if you can guess it, but so this is GBU29L, our trailer-mounted drilling rig that, I remind you, it has a petrol engine with a capacity of 29 horsepower, is the name of the rig. Here is the engine. And this machine can make it possible for you to drill up to 100 meters. So what do we have here, right? For the inspection, for you to check. We have the factory plate, which has, of course, the name of the model, the date when it was produced, so some contact information, and of course, the drilling rig number, which is also important. This is how we can manage to get the full information about this drilling rig. So here it is. again, of course, it is ready for the shipment. It doesn't need any special stretch film or any boxes or any material to be covered with. So it goes in a truck or in a container the way it is. So nothing special needs to be done with it. And we move on to the next drilling rig, to GBU-30L, which is placed in another end of in another corner of our BST warehouse. So let me show it to you. We're almost here. Here we have it, GBU-30L. Yes, it looks familiar to GBU-29L. However, we have some differences. Of course, there is this oil cooler, and of course, I remind you that the engine, there are two of them, and they are diesel ones. Again, what we have here and what is important is the factory plate with the factory drilling rig number. So everything is here. And all of the drilling rigs that are part of this shipment, of this delivery to Zambia, Tanzania, and Kenya, they have this special plate, which I hope you can see it clearly here. So it has the name of all the branches in these three countries, with the contact information and address. So all 10 pieces of GBU-15LP and these both trailer-mounted drilling rigs, so they have this type of plate. Again, for a more comfortable way of getting contact information. If you have any questions, if you have anything that you need to discuss with the partners in these countries, so you are welcome to do so. Okay, so right now we just checked with you the drilling rigs that are part of this big shipment. But so this is, of course, it's not the end, and it's just the beginning. And right now, let me show you and just continue showing to you some drilling bits, some tools that are going to be put in your order, right, with these drilling rigs. So here, of course, a standard, once you need the, as most of your inquiries, they include wet drilling in soft or hard soil, of course. So there are our standard bits, which are, let me show you them. So these are 3-blade bits. Here they are. And so each package or each drilling rig, it has two of these bits. Whether you purchase, whether you get GBU-15LP or any of trailer-mounted drilling rigs. And right next to it, on another pallet, we have a calibration bit. You can see the difference. You see this ring over here? Calibration bit. It has the name of two-blade bit as well, because so if you can compare them, it has obviously 2 blades, not 3, not 4. But as for calibration bits, so you would need just 1 piece for each order. That would be enough. Okay, and as for of course, once I mentioned the wet drilling, right? Of course, for any type of drilling, I mean, it doesn't depend on the type of soil that you have. So you would need to have drilling pipes, of course. And they are also packed, you see? And this is not the end. I mean, this is not... so everything you see here, as for the drilling pipes, so we have even more of them. And I will show you in another warehouse, in another manufacturing facility of BST. But these are just a part of this pack. But yes, you can see that they are fastened of 50 pieces in each, again for a more comfortable transportation. So all packed here. And we continue the topic of wet drilling with the help of these drilling rigs. And what is also needed for this? Of course, the motor pumps, right? Which every drilling rig, it has it. And they are typically just put in hold on for a second. They are put in a carton. Just in these boxes, in the original boxes. Some are here, some are there. Again, they are put on a pallet. Okay, guys, I see that you are commenting in the chat box, so I'm very glad to see all of you. Thanks everyone for joining, our inspection today. And guys, if you have any questions, meanwhile, right now we're closer to the end of our webinar, so just anytime you feel like you would like to get some more information, just please send me your question here in the chat box, so I'll be glad to answer it or give any comments regarding this. Okay, so as for now, so we covered, let's say, one part of this inspection, right? So we've seen the drilling rigs, right? All of them. We've seen drilling pipes, 3-blade bits, calibration bits, motor pumps, oil station, right? How everything is packed. And there are already so many items to be put, I remind you, in a 40-feet container. So it's truly a serious and big shipment that we will have. But right now, let us have a little break from seeing all these components, all the parts, because right now, so I'm moving to another location, to a BST workshop, where we also have all the parts that I would like to show you and all the tools. And meanwhile, so while I'm going there, I would like to inform you about something very interesting and very useful. And they are discounts, right? A very special offer for you guys. So you have this very good chance of save up your money, right? And have a discount if you take this week, the following week, right? Okay, so what you will get actually, right? So as for GBU 15 LP, so you can have $500 off your order. And as for any trailer mounted drilling rigs, the video got frozen. Okay, do you hear me well? And do you see me well? Okay, so the connection is back. Thank God. All right, so what I was telling you is about a discount which you can have. And so as for GBU 15 LP, you can get $500 off your order. And as for GBU 30L or GBU 29L, you can get even $1,000 off your order. But what is needed for you guys? It's only to make a deposit payment of just 10%, not 100, not 50, not any other amount, but just 10% pre-order payment before the end of next week, which I remind you, it is March 29th. That's it. So I think it's a nice chance for you to have this to have a good motivation of having this discount and saving up your money, because you're not going to put all your money just on stake, so everything. Right. So, but right now, so we continue with our inspection. And let me show you around, because you can see that we changed our location, and here we have even more space for our manufacturing facility, right? So, and so this is our workshop, BST workshop. And so it is Friday, and so right now, according to the timing, every worker left their machines, their job for home, because so they are out of duty today. But we move on, and you can see that. So here we have even larger space of our workshop. And by the way, some of other GBU 15 LP drilling rigs, they're being assembled here as well. Some trailer mounted rigs. So all of them are here. And it's a huge non-stop working process, right? You see even more of those carton boxes, with engines, with motor pumps. So all of them are there. And remember I told you about the drilling pipes. So you can see them right here as well. And so there are lots of them. And we have all these drilling pipes that are just sitting here, and whenever any order comes and any clients need any amount of drilling pipes, so they are always ready, as well as any other components such as forks and wrenches, drilling forks of course, and all the bits, all types of bits. But we are here, so not just for, we are here not only just for visiting of BST factory, which you can do by traveling as well, but here we are on a mission, on a special mission where we have this pre-shipment inspection. And so right now you are about to see boxes, right? Special boxes that are meant for each drilling rig, for each client. So you can see them here. So these are individual or personal boxes, the ones that that we told you about in our groups. And in each of them, we have a standard set of tools, right? But let's have a look at example number 1, right? We have this this box number 1, and what we have here. Let's see. So everything, of course, it needs to be packed. But anyways, so we can start with the. Let's start with the PDC bit. Yes, it's heavy, but it's right here. So we can tell that. So the diameter of this PDC bit is 190 millimeters. So, and it has 3 blades. So, and in each box we have this PDC bit. And how to put how to place, right, and how to fix the PDC bit, of course, with the help of the adapter for it. And by the way, as for the adapter, so this is the part of a spare part kit. So here's the adapter for PDC bit. And so if we put this stuff a little further, so we can see that here we have two drilling wrenches. Here they are, as you can see them right here. And again, this is the standard box, so everyone will have it. Everything that I'm showing to you, every order, it has it. And apart from wrenches, we also have this, the drilling fork. again, I will show it to you later, but in every box there is this, yeah, you can even see it right here. There is this drilling fork, which is also heavy. But you will try it once you purchase the drilling rig with this individual package. You will try how heavy it is. Okay, and so as for drilling wrenches and drilling fork, we have it by default. But again, as for this standard packaging, we also have a spare part kit, which involves, of course, the gear pump. You can even read it, gear pump. Let me show it to you. Just needs to be, I need to be careful. So again, it has all the information from the supplier, from the manufacturer. So I don't want to ruin anything, but so it's right here in the package, right, in the stretch film. So gear pump here as well. As a part of spare part kit, we also have hydraulic seals. So they are they come in amount of 4 pieces, and we have bearings right here, and there is this adapter as well, which it's somewhere. Yes, it's right here. So here's the adapter, and by the way, here we have the swivel, because of course, so none of the drilling can be possible of wet drilling or air drilling. It cannot be possible with the help of without the help of swivel. And right here we have a set of caprolon plates that are also needed for the carriage. And as for this spare part kit, so the main reason why we as a supplier provide you with these components, with these parts, is for you not to have any necessity of finding or searching all over your local market or somewhere abroad of these parts, because most of them, as those adapters or sealings or bearings, even the PDC bit, right, or caprolon plates, so they can wear out not easily, but with the duration of time. So that is why. So we think that it's a good support for our clients to supply this spare part kit in every order that we provide to our clients. And again, so here we have these standard packages, right, for GB15LP, and as for trailer-mounted drilling rigs, they also have such a standard set of components. However, there could be, for example, several or 2 pieces of gear pumps or some other difference. But all in all, so they're all the same. And right here, let me also show you or remind you that we have a client from Kenya who placed the order and even placed the payment for special tools, which are core pipes, right? And they are, for example, of diameter of 89 millimeters. So you can see these core tools or core pipes right here. And we also have a client who plans to perform air drilling with the help of down the hole hammer, of course. And right here you can see these crown beads, right? Again, of different diameters. Let me show them to you a little closer. So, sorry. So here it is. 2 pieces of that diameter and 2 pieces of another diameter. So, and I guess as for the for all these boxes, right? For all this information about us being ready for the shipment, so we are done. So guys, if you have any questions, let me check. But you are welcoming each other, saying where you're watching me from. That's very nice. But as for the inspection, so I showed you everything that I planned to show you. So, but of course it was a little hectic because we have so many of these tools just to show you, and it's going to take even more time. But anyways, I hope that you have this picture right now, or a clearer picture, so that every package, every box, it's ready, and so you don't need to worry about whether or not you have any necessary tools, because you will have them. And as for the more detailed information of what is included in each box, so I can send it to you either personally or in these group chats where you are from, whether in Kenya, Zambia, Tanzania, or Zimbabwe, Nigeria, and so on. Okay, guys, so I guess that's it for our inspection, for our pre-shipment procedure of checking whether everything is prepared. And yes, we can tell 100% that everything is ready for the dispatch, which will happen very soon. So it's planned for the end of this month, March, which is going to be next week. I hope so. So because everything is ready, we are ready. I hope that you are ready as well. But please take this opportunity. I truly want you to understand how important it is for you to have this discount and to follow this offer, because you see, so even starting from the 1st of April, there won't be any special discounts or any reduction in price, because the closer any shipment, the closer the cargo to the port of destination, which is Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, so the closer the cargo to it, the higher the price or offer it may change, right? So that is why I remind you that so by the end of next week, by March 29th, you have this opportunity to get $1,000 US off your purchase of GBU30L or GBU29L, or if you decide to go for GBU15LP, you will have a discount of $500 US. Again, what is needed? Only 10% deposit payment for any of the drain rigs of your choice. Just make sure you do it in time. Make this deposit payment before March 29th and get lucky with this. Okay, guys. So, no questions so far. I hope that you enjoyed this tour around BST factory and this inspection, and you can see how prepared everything is. So thank you guys for watching, and so we'll talk to you later. But as for now, bye-bye. Bye.